on a remote beach in Lincolnshire. Well, I've come down here to meet Kirsty, Perdie and Kahlan, the Boondockers. Kirsty, Perdie
hello.
And Kahlan at the back. Hello.
Go say hi, guys. This is our home sweet home.
It's very rustic inside here. It's all pallet wood, you say?
Recycled pallet wood, every bit of it.
Yeah.
Well, obviously, apart from the plyboard.
Yeah.
But even that was reclaimed as well from old jobs that I'd done, so everything.
Yeah.
Apart hinges, screws, they were new.
Yeah.
But literally.
Even the sink and cooker was from our old van. We had it for like 5 years stored in the shed. And that was from our old van.
Yeah. It's a freehold burner, isn't it?
Yep. Yep.
Little sink there.
Complete with dishes to do.
Of course.
I'll tell you what, I'll pixelate that out for you if you want me to.
It's fine.
You got covers all the way above the kitchen area.
Yeah, normally we store such as plates,
Yep.
stuff and that in there.
Toiletries.
Like toiletries up there. Other people's stickers up there.
I recognise that one.
Tea, coffee, sugar, Kahlan's sweets.
Yeah.
Because that's the only cupboard she can't reach.
Oh, right.
Keep them in there.
Yep.
Get into it this end as well. It's
Yeah.
just
Right,
a few
you're
more
on the corner
Yeah,
and
there.
bobs, vape things
Yeah.
and
Yeah, so them there.
Yeah.
Fruit basket. This is my bits and pieces cupboard.
Yep.
camera gear and stuff.
Camera gear, chargers and stuff like that. My workstation.
I remember this, yeah, it's fold out like tabletop, isn't it?
Yeah.
Somewhere to store the laptops.
Yeah.
So we're having trouble on a night getting into bed. We have nowhere to put them, so we'd have to clear all the sink off and put laptops and things on there.
Yeah.
But
There
then
was
the
just nowhere
following
else.
morning you
We'd have to
tidy
move it all
everything
back
back
onto
on
the bed.
there.
And it was just a nightmare, so we ended up with it. Right, there's a empty wall there, we'll put something
That's a
there.
good idea, yeah. Fills up space, doesn't it?
I'm thinking about sticking a mirror
Yeah.
Yeah,
on there as
that's
well.
something we haven't got.
Little laundry chute for mucky washing.
Alright, yeah.
Goes in there.
Yeah.
And we've got under the bed for like garage space and camping gear and dogs' beds in there. Get out! You always want to be famous, you don't you?
They do.
That's quite a
She's
big
always
garage,
in
ain't
front
it?
of the
Yeah,
camera.
yeah.
It's full width for that bed.
They've actually got more room under there than what we have on our bed.
I agree, yeah.
Well, they've got the run of the van through the day.
Yeah.
Obviously doors open now, so if they do want to bob out, they can do. Yeah, what else have we got?
You got is it a toilet underneath here as well?
Oh,
Yeah.
there's the toilet,
Yeah.
seat and
Yep.
the toilet.
Yeah. That's a composted toilet, is it?
No,
Oh.
it's just a pee bucket.
No, alright.
Do everything else.
Everything else we try and
Public
get to a
toilets,
point,
we try to get to,
public
yeah.
toilet, but
There's only one up the road, isn't there? Public
There is,
toilet.
yeah.
yeah. And if we can't make it, and if we get caught short or anything like that, it's the carrier bag,
Yeah.
bin liner,
Doggy bag.
doggy bag.
So we've got a full size bed here?
Yep.
It's not quite as wide as a double,
No, no.
but
It's 4 foot.
Yeah.
Well, it's actually 4'2".
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, and our wardrobes,
Yeah.
more of the same palette wood.
Yeah.
They've been stayed, have they? Both sides?
Yeah. We burnt them first
Oh, right.
with the
Yeah.
gas burner,
Yeah.
and then just dark oak
Hold on, love.
wax over the top of that.
Address and everything's on that thing.
All right.
I thought you were going to say toys.
They're not in that cupboard.
I thought I'd just confirm that.
Yeah, the adult toys have a secret hiding place.
There we go.
And at the back, you've got a big window facing out towards the sea.
That slides down as well.
Yeah. What's your feet round?
There you go, I've got the money shot there. There you go.
So if it's raining and that, we can still see out the back. We
Yeah.
can still have the view. We
got
just have it up.
Yeah, because you've
So-
got a little bit of a ledge at the back, haven't you? So it's stopped
Yeah,
the rain.
yeah.
So,
There's a bit of a spoiler
yeah,
out here, so it does stop most of the rain coming in.
yeah.
But it's lovely. If
Well-
it's too cold as well, we put it up and then the diesel heater's on, so it feels like you're inside, but you can still see out.
Yeah.
But we've still got the stealth On the outside, it just looks like a van.
That's it, yeah. Well, this is your only window you've got in it, I mean...
Yeah.
Well, there's this, and when you know, the front bit as well.
Yeah.
So we do get light in here.
Yeah.
You know, we don't just live in
No.
a dark van,
box.
in a dark box, in a coffin.
That's back up. Is that weighted then? Is it like on a pulley system or?
No, it's just gravity.
Oh, right.
Just gravity.
Yeah.
We've got the control panel up here for the diesel heater.
Yep.
That's been a godsend through winter.
So yeah, just you know, we don't even have to get out of bed on a morning to put that on.
Yeah.
Or if we're not on the bed, the remote control for it's down there near the solar charger.
There. There's your solar charger system in it.
Yeah.
And what was it?
PWIM. It's not one of the fancy MPPTs.
PWM.
Yeah, something like that.
And you've got 150 watt solar panel.
150 watt solar panel on top, and that's all we've got. We've got underneath, I'll not show you it, but underneath Kahlan's bed there, underneath all these toys, is 260 amp hours of battery.
Yeah.
Two 130 amp hours.
And how long does that last? Does that?
Not very long.
No.
Not very long.
No.
But
Well, the engine's running.
the engine's running at the moment.
Yeah.
We've
Charge
got
laptops.
laptops on charge. They're 20 volts.
Yeah.
We do need one of them 12 to 20 volt step up chargers.
Yeah. But
So
we've
we can
managed
do
for
away.
a whole year,
Yeah.
and I don't know. I like that we've done it that way because we've been able to figure out what works, what doesn't work, extra bits that we need, rather than just waste money all at the start getting everything that everybody recommends.
Yeah.
But we've managed.
Yeah.
But there are things that could make it a bit easier.
So obviously you've got a split charger system on the engine as well. For
Yep.
the batteries, charging the
Yeah,
batteries
yeah.
and an inverter. So, but
The inverter's just under there.
oh, it's
Like only a 500 watt peak.
yeah.
That just runs an extension lead
Yeah.
straight off there into there. We've got
sockets.
cigarette chargers there,
Yeah.
which you'll do for the
Fridge.
Run gas as well, don't you? You got your gas bottles in
yeah. The two gas bottles are in on this side. We've got two 3.9 kilo gas bottles that are on this side, and then all the electrics are on the other side.
Yeah.
What else have we got? Oh yeah, when we're moving, excuse Kahlan's artwork across the bottom of the bottom of the door there. But yeah, we just shut that, and the dogs
They're kept in there.
the dogs are kept in there. Yeah, so they're nice and safe when we're in transit. And yeah, open your back doors, look. Oh yeah, water.
Well, they're 20 litres, are they?
20 litres each, yeah. We're about due for a refill again,
Yeah.
but we'll probably use two of them in a week.
So there's that door with the window,
Yeah.
sliding window again.
And then that gives the dogs the access to the outside as well.
It's quite a big area down here.
It is. You're covered in sand butts,
Hello.
and then we've got all camping gear
Yeah.
and stuff like that under there, other bits and pieces. We've got an extension lead,
Yep.
which will look up, Pooch.
Yep.
So we can hook up, just pull the plug on the inverter in there on the extension lead, stick it in there,
All right,
and couple up in, to caravan hook up.
Yeah. Yes. So you can pull up somewhere and you can get your 240.
Yep. But I think we've used campsites twice
All right.
in a year. One
Yeah.
was for Gadget John's meetup.
Yeah.
And obviously when we were building the van and doing the Boondocker bash and what have you,
Yeah.
we were there. But we've used a campsite one other time since then. We try to stay away from them as much as possible.
Yeah, they do get pricey, don't they?
Yeah. First time I used it,
All right.
drove off the other end of it and crushed one. But I don't use them a lot.
No, I haven't used any of them. I ain't got any. So mine,
I don't like having me feet higher than my head,
Yeah.
and we are slightly down a little bit at the moment
Yeah.
on the back end, but it's bearable. It's bearable.
Yeah.
So
That slides back down again.
fishing gear, that goes up on the roof. That's the important stuff.
Yeah. We caught you fishing yesterday. Did you catch anything?
Yeah.
Do you want me to do that bit out?
No. If you caught fish all the time, it'd be called catching.
Exactly.
And not fishing.
Yeah.
But I've had a few out.
Yeah.
While we've been down here, I've had a good few whiting. I've had little place.
Yeah.
Well, what else? Oh, codling,
All right.
which we ate that the other day.
Yeah.
So yeah.
I mean, the location here, what a brilliant park up. There's the North Sea. Building it roughly about the same time when I started mine, didn't you?
Yeah. Yeah, when we first started doing it, we noticed that there was, when we bought it, we knew that there was some welding to do.
We were expecting that for a cheap van, you can't really...
Yeah, but once we got into it and started digging away, there was just one hole after another, and we finished up taking the complete back end out, taking all the floor out and renewing that completely, right up to the front of the wheel arches. It had new sills.
Yeah.
It's had all the patches on the chassis legs and limbs that transits are renowned for going. They've all been welded.
Yeah.
The inner wings have all been done. So yeah, it's solid metal.
Replace the engine.
Yeah.
9 months into.
That was last year, wasn't it?
Yeah, that was just.
So basically,
few
we've
months
got a van now with a solid base, solid foundation, solid house, and 104,000 mile on the clock.
Time to sell it then.
Well, it's good.
We will be needing a bigger van soon, because
Yes.
this one's not going to get any smaller.
They're really grow, unfortunately.
Yeah.
We could start cutting bits off. If it gets bigger. Couldn't we? No.
And are you actually currently looking for a van or just the
We're
idea?
currently looking for the money.
Yeah, we need to get the money first.
Get the money together.
We haven't decided which van exactly.
Yeah.
We keep debating about that. Yeah, but the battery's nearly dead.
Spunky put me off
Oh no, it's not.
the Luton last night when he said that, driving down the road with
An oak tree. Banging into it.
We can't do that on here.
Oh dear. Yeah, so it kind of
You
put
want
me
to
off
sit
the
in the
Luton
window?
idea a bit, but I don't know. I like
love
your
this
van.
Yeah.
I want yours.
This is mine.
Yeah, he wants one like that. I
Yeah,
love this
I'll
van.
just do you a straight swap, Mark.
That sounds fair to me.
If we could stay in here, I'd stay in here.
Yeah.
But
There's still one or two
That's
bits and
a lot
pieces
of
that need
blood,
It's
finishing.
a
sweat
lovely
and
one, but
tears.
you've done a very good job in this woodwork. So you lived in here about a year, innit?
yeah,
Yeah, just over a year. March, was it March the?
18th of February.
No, it was the 9th of February we moved
9th
in.
of February.
We moved
yeah,
in.
Sister's birthday.
Yeah,
or something.
sister's birthday, so
Yeah.
that's when we actually moved in.
No regrets?
Nah.
Should have done it
Nah.
while I was younger.
That's the only regret.
Yeah. But no regrets.
The only regret I must say that I keep saying that I have is we didn't save enough money. Like when the engine went, we thought it was game over.
Yeah.
But luckily we managed to get it sorted and borrow. So yeah, we're still going.
Unfortunately, things like that are a bit hard to predict, are they? Especially
Yeah,
when
but it's the same if you're in a house as well.
Yeah, exactly.
People,
Yeah,
if something big goes, your roof needs doing or your boiler or anything, it's a lot more than
Yes,
what an engine is.
it's
isn't
five.
it?
It's $5 grand as opposed to $8 grand.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's more manageable.
That's the only
doing it
regret.
this way.
Absolutely nothing about van life.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Both got a YouTube channel called the
The Boondockers.
Yeah.
regular do updates on that. So
We do a couple of vlogs a week and then we do a live every Sunday at 8 o'clock.
Yep.
And they're always a lot
That's
of
when
fun.
Kirsty cracks open the bottle of wine. And
It all comes out.
literally.
No,
They are
not
good
like that.
They are a good watch, so please do follow these guys. They're a lovely bunch of people. So
Thank you very much,
okay.
Mark.
Thank you very much.
Mark.
Cheers, mate.
Thanks for showing us around your home.
Lovely
Thank
to
you.
meet you.
And it's been brilliant. We spent a night with you last night. We shared a few. Well, Spunky shared a few
A
stories.
fair few beers and stories.
I can't share my
yeah.
channel, but no,
Good
don't you share
night.
yours. But
Yeah, and thank you for the Jack Daniels. Now I've got another bottle to get through.
Well, keep it going, mate. Keep it going. So, well, thank you for showing me around. It's a lovely van. I love the woodwork. You've done a brilliant job on it, mate.
Thank you.
Yeah, please follow them. So I did a picture of my outlet.
Let me say bye, guys.
Bye.
Kahlan.
Yay!